What's up, fireTEKies? Team fireTEK USA back today. Today we're going to learn how to create a custom network. The reason why you want to create a custom network is so that your remote will only talk to your modules and not anyone else. If somebody else is using fireTEK gear in the field, you cannot fire anything that they have, and they can't fire anything you have. So today we'll be using our remote 2 mods to create your custom network. Is that you want to be in your power on slaves. We have 2 slaves that are found. They're just set at 1 and 2. So what you're going to do is under your A, or your number 5, that is going to bring up Learn Wireless. Now your Learn Wireless is setting a custom network. So that's going to be under 1. Hold that down, hit number 1. That's going to learn, it's going to reset, and then both your modules should reset. So now that they're reset, we're going to make this guy 1, make this guy 2, and if you see up in the top corner, you're going to get a C on both of the modules. That means you're in a custom network. So now nothing can join, you can't add anything. You can't get any modules because you are now in basically a closed network, so nothing will interfere with each other. So on your remote, if you look, your C does not come up there, which we found when you reset it. So what we've been doing is taking it off, or unpower it, power it back on, and your C will come back up. So and that's it. That's all you need to do for your custom network. Now you can power off everything and power it back up. You can still change your modules to whatever number you want them to be, but they will only talk to each other. So now, how do I get rid of that if I want to add stuff? So now, to reverse it, to get back to your standard mode, what you want to do is turn your 2 modules off so that your remote is not seeing anything. And your power on slaves, it's still looking for 2 slaves, so what I like to do is refresh the modules so it's not seeing anything. It comes up as none. Hit your A button, you're going to reset your wireless, and that's going to bring your remote out of your custom network mode, and it'll come back up. The S won't come up. Like I said, we found turn it off, turn it back on, and your S will come up for your standard mode. We'll do that real quick. So while we're doing that, we're going to power these 2 guys back on. Now there's our S that came back on for standard. 2 modules will come back on. We'll make this guy 1. Make this guy 2. Now they both show that they're still in the custom network. To get rid of that, you're going to hold your green button down for 5, it's supposed to be 5 seconds. And at the bottom you'll see it wireless resetted. This one too, wireless resetted, that one. They'll reset, come back up. We'll bring them to our numbers. Let's do this one 1 since that came up first. This one 2. And now we're back. If you can see, we're in the standard network. Now you guys can add anything you want, subtract modules. And then if you want to close that off again from everyone, you'll have to rebuild the custom network for that. So one thing you don't want to do while you have all your modules in a custom network is, if your buddy's over and you're trying to show them how cool your remote is that if your modules are off and you're showing different menus and stuff and you hit reset wireless, you have just lost your whole network. You have reset your remote and it will not see any of your modules. So be careful. If you've already got a preset custom network, do not push the reset wireless or you will lose it and you'll have to redo everything.